If you're trying to improve HR workflows without hiring more staff, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will give you practical strategies you can start using immediately. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial to my favorite HR automation tool, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's get straight to it. The core of improving HR workflows without increasing headcount is automation and streamlining repetitive tasks. Most teams waste hours every week on things that can be automated or simplified. Start with onboarding. Instead of manually emailing forms and documents to new hires, use automated onboarding sequences. Tools like Bamboo HR, Gusto, or the one I personally recommend, linked in the description, let you build templates that automatically send documents, videos, and checklists the moment someone is hired. This alone can save hours every week. Next, standardize employee requests, vacation requests, payroll questions, and benefits info. These can be turned into self-service systems. Use shared Google Forms, pre-filled templates, or internal knowledge bases like Notion or Confluence. The key is to reduce back and forth emails. The less your team has to manually respond to repeat questions, the smoother your workflow becomes. Third, automate repetitive approvals. Whether it's time off, reimbursements, or internal transfers, set up approval workflows using tools like Zapier, Slack Workflows, or the platform I linked below. No more chasing signatures, just a clean automated system that notifies the right person, tracks progress, and logs the approval automatically. Now let's talk about performance reviews. Most teams dread them because they're messy and inconsistent. Instead, schedule recurring review cycles and use lightweight performance management tools. Even basic Google Forms or Typeform surveys work. Collect feedback before the meeting and you've already cut prep time in half. Also, use automated reminders for recurring tasks like compliance training, document renewals, or certification tracking. Schedule reminders that go out automatically. A good HR platform lets you set these once and forget them. If you're managing recruitment, stop manually posting job ads or tracking candidates in spreadsheets. Centralize everything into one system. The software I've linked below handles this beautifully. And yes, it comes with a free trial exclusive to Dan Thorne viewers. It's honestly one of the most effective tools I've tested, and I tried all the big names before settling on this one. So here's the key takeaway. You don't need to hire more staff to make your HR team more efficient. What you need is to reduce manual tasks, eliminate repeated communication, and use automation in the right places. Quick recap. Automate onboarding. Create self-service systems for common questions. Build approval workflows. Simplify performance reviews. Set automated reminders. Centralize your recruitment. And don't forget, if you want to follow along or test this out yourself, I've included a free trial link in the description to the exact HR platform I recommend. It's exclusive to this channel and will give you everything you need to start improving your HR workflows today, without increasing your team size. Thanks for watching.